Hi friends, welcome to our new episode of Employment News for BE BTech Mechanical Engineers 29th March 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and job opportunities in apprenticeship training. From our channel Mech Engineering World, every Monday we will upload new employment opportunities for mechanical engineers. This week in this video we are included 8 government jobs, 7 private jobs and 1 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this first government jobs. In government job, first one is executive engineer at Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. HPCL is a Maharatna Central Public Sector Enterprise oil and gas company. It is a subsidiary of ONGC which owns 51.11% of stake in the company. HPCL has a strong presence in downstream hydrocarbon sector of the country with over 18% of share in petroleum product marketing and also has business footprints across other energy verticals and various overseas geographies. Final year students 2021 batch also eligible to apply. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Number of posts are 120 for mechanical engineers. Pay and allowances is 50,000 to 1,60,000 level E2 per month plus other allowances. Application fee is 1,180 for general and no fee for SC, ST, PWBD candidates. Age limit is 25 years. Selection procedure. The selection process may comprise of computer-based test, group task, personal interview, etc. Computer-based test will be of the objective question with no negative marking and will comprise of two parts, general aptitude and technical or professional knowledge. Based of merit list in computer-based test, eligible candidates will be called for group task and personal interview. How to apply? Candidates are required to apply online through the website as shown on screen. Careers or can apply through the direct link as shown on screen on or before 15th April 2021. I will provide all website IDs and link in my description also. Next is design trainee or management trainee technical at HAL. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is an Indian state-owned aerospace and defense company. Is governed under the management of Indian Ministry of Defense. The government-owned corporation is primarily involved in the operation of the aerospace and is currently involved in the design, fabrication and assembly of aircraft, jet engines, helicopters and their spare parts. HAL has several facilities spread across India. Final year students 2021 batch also eligible to apply. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Pay and allowances is 40,000 to 1,40,000 per month plus other allowances. Number of posts are design trainee 60 and management trainee 40. Application fee 500 for unreserved OBC EWS candidates and no fee for SC, ST, PWBD candidates. Age limit is 28 years. Selection procedure. Selection process will be comprised all India based online selection test and interview. Final merit list shall be prepared by assigning the weightage of 85% of mark on online test and 15% of mark in interview. How to apply? Detailed advertisement available at the website shown on screen. Interested eligible candidates can apply through the website as shown on screen on or before 5th April 2021. Next is Officer at Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India, ALIMCO. ALIMCO is a Scheduled C Miniratna Category 2 Central Public Sector Enterprise registered under the section of the Companies Act 2013. Is functioning under the administrative control of Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities. It is a 100% owned Government of India Central Public Sector Enterprise with an objective of benefiting the persons with disability to the maximum extent possible by manufacturing of rehabilitation aids for persons with disabilities. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Pay and allowances are 45,000. Number of posts are various posts on contract basis. Experience required for the post is 2 years. Application fee is nil. Age limit is 40 years. Selection process. A written test will be conducted by Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India if needed be, depending on the number of candidates, followed by personal interview. How to apply? Detailed advertisement and prescribed format of application are available at the website shown on screen. Industry eligible candidates should fill the prescribed application form and should send to the address shown on screen on or before 16th April 2021. Next is Junior Manager at Ferro Scrap Nigam Limited, FSNL. FSNL is a Government of India Miniratna 2 IMS certified company under the Ministry of Steel. FSNL is a wholly owned subsidiary of MSTC Limited. FSNL invited for the post of contract basis initially for 1 year and it can be extended up to 5 years. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Consolidated pay 40,000, age limit is 30, experience required for the post is 3 years and above. Application fee is 500 for general and no fee for SC/ST candidates. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Industry candidates need to fill the application through prescribed format and send to the FSNL office Chhattisgarh through post on or before 31st March 2021. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. Project Engineer Mechanical at Bharat Dynamics Limited's last date is 31st March 2021. Associate Engineer at BrahMos Aerospace Private Limited's last date is 5th April 2021. Project Engineer 1 Mechanical at Bharat Electronics Limited's last date is 7th April. Supervisor Technical Control at Security Printing Press Hyderabad's last date is 10th April 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description also. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is technical writer at Aptara Learning Private Limited. Aptara Inc. is a US based media company specializing in digital content development. It is headquartered in Virginia. Aptara's services included content production, digital publishing, data conversion, editorial services, e-learning and technology development, legal content solution and business process outsourcing, etc. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 3 year. Salary is not disclosed by the company. Job description: determining the needs of end user of technical documentation, acquire and author, reauthor OEM specific repair or troubleshooting procedure, preparation of service or repair manuals, troubleshooting manuals and other supporting documents to communicate complex technical information related to cars or trucks, etc. Role is technical writer. Function areas IT software. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed advertisement and can apply through online by using the website as shown on screen, or can send your latest resume to nafsal.shaful@aptaracorp.com. Next is Mechanical Engineer at SCL Manufacturing Co. Limited, Madhya Pradesh. SCL is a leading vertical integrated textile conglomerate operating in various textile subsegments, having facilities right from spinning, knitting, processing of yarns and fabric to the value-added products, terry towels and ready-made garments, etc. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 5 year experience. Salary is not disclosed by the company. Job description: required BTech candidates for various positions with experience from 0 to 10 year for the plan. Role is various position according to the experience. Function areas textile garments. Functional areas production, manufacturing or maintenance. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Graduate Engineering Trainee Mechanical at Cargill India Private Limited, Bangalore. Cargill is one of the biggest food companies in the world, having more than 130 years of expertise in food grain selection and processing. It is the world's biggest producer, processor and refiner of sunflower oil. Cargill has made quantum leaps in the small period of 2 years in the Indian food market. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year experience. Salary is not disclosed by the company. Job description: the graduate engineering trainee will assist and execute all production process within a single technical process or shift, ensuring areas of responsibilities meeting the company standard for safety, quality, efficiency, and financial performance. We seek a multifaceted team leader who will be able to undertake project work off shift when required and deputize when needed in the absence of shift manager. Role is trainee. Industry type is FMCG foods. Function areas production manufacturing is a full-time permanent job. Industry candidates can see the detailed advertisement and can apply through online by using the link as shown on screen. Next is generator mechanical engineer at G Renewable Energy, Bangalore. G Renewable Energy is a division of General Electric headquartered in Paris, France, focusing on production of energy from renewable sources. G Renewable Energy was created in 2015. Its portfolio of products includes wind, hydroelectric, and solar power generating solutions. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or early career candidates. Reference ID is R3559730. Salary is best in the industry. Essential responsibilities: responsible to deliver design, drawing, and BOMs as per project schedule and budget limits with the right levels of quantity. Responsible for timely execution of project and his key deliverables: first pass yield, validation of design through lead engineering and consulting, understand reliability, safety, cost, etc. Role is generator mechanical engineer. Function area is production manufacturing. It's a full-time permanent job. Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply through GE's website as shown in screen. Next is graduate engineering trainee mechanical at Enarca India Private Limited, Bangalore. ENARKA was founded with a mission to design, develop, manufacture, and market high quality, intelligent, and efficient power conversion products at affordable prices for industrial and commercial application, serving emerging and establishing market. Enarca India Private Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of OEM International Inc. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience secured for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year experience. Salary offered are 2 lakh to 3 lakh 50,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: involved in the designing of power electronics components. Desired candidate profile: prefer BE mechanical freshers. Role is graduate engineering trainee. Function areas engineering design and R&D. Is a full-time permanent job. The industry candidates can see the detailed notification and apply through website as shown on screen. Next is production engineer at Shobha Globes Engineers Hub Private Limited, Bangalore. Shobha Globes Engineer Hub Private Limited is a group of young, energetic, and dedicated personnel who are working towards manufacturing and distribution of products such as solar energy, wind energy, energy management, and innovative products to make in India green. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 2 years. Salary is not disclosed by the company. Roles and responsibilities: shift manpower allotment, production report update, machine hour report, keeping performance indicator, drawing, knowledge in sheet metal industry, etc. Design candidate profile: sheet metal industry work experience, CNC machines work experience, and fabrication. Role is production engineer. Function area is production manufacturing. It's a full-time permanent job. The industry candidates can see the detailed notification and apply through website as shown on screen, or can send latest resume to kavya@shobhaglobes.com. Next is engineer system design at John Crane, Bangalore. John Crane is an American company, now subsidiary of Smith Group, and provider of engineered products and servicing, including mechanical seals, coupling, hydrodynamic bearings, seal support system, filtration system, and artificial lift, etc. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 2 to 5 years. Location is Bangalore. Job reference is GOHNCARNE APA 794. Job description: the successful candidates will be responsible for delivering designs and associated purchase specification for wide range of engineering to order wet seal system for global strategic oil and gas project, collaborating with stakeholders that primarily include global projects, application and sales support, fluid control, bidding, fluid control, global engineering, global operations, etc. Role is engineer system design. Industry type is mechanical seal. Function area is production. It's a full-time permanent job. Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and apply through their website as shown on screen. That's all for private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is graduate apprentice training at High Energy Material Research Laboratory DRDO HEMRL. High Energy Material Laboratory is a laboratory of the Defense Research and Development Organization located in Pune. Its main function is the research and development of technologies and products in the area of high energy material and explosive material. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Candidates who have passed in the year of 2018, 19, 2020 are only eligible to apply. Age limit is 18 to 24. Stipend offered are 9,000. How to apply? Detailed advertisement and application can see the description. Interested eligible candidates must register themselves in the NAS portal of MHRD by using the link as shown on screen. The candidates should send the scanned copies of certificates with the duly filled application form in a single PDF file to the e-journal at hemrl.drdo.in. Duly filled application form with enclosure should be sent to the director HEMRL Pune on or before 10th April 2021. That's all for this week's employment news video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.